I just kept it open now. Is I mean, Renuka just came in like that. So universe is deciding. Amrita, go for it.
Yeah, hi Lina, can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Yeah. So hello everybody. Loads of thanks to Lina ji, Vikas ji and Push ji for making me part of this Healy. And it's really a wonderful journey. And the thing is, I am here today to share the testimony, not for myself, because I am enjoying Healy. And there are various changes spiritually, emotionally, many kind of things in me. But I am here to share the testimony for my family. So basically, Leena ji, I have 3 testimonies. Okay, I will start. I will not take more of your time. So coming to the first testimony, it is for my sister. She stays in Andheri and I stay in Nagpur. Okay, so she has a daughter who is 2 years old and she was not well. Like she called me and she was very upset. And I asked her, Dipti, what happened? Why are you so upset? So she told me that my daughter is suffering from vomiting and she was having continuous vomiting. So I just asked her, ki, Dipti, if it is possible, I would run a program for you and I will give a distant healing to her. So is that okay? So, she is a very rigid kind of person and she don't believe in all these things. But then also she told me, okay, you can go with that. Let's see. And the thing is, I was so surprised. That was a midnight time of around 11 p.m. And I gave a distant healing to her daughter. And the next day morning, when I called her, she told me that, what did you do? Okay. So I was so happy. I was like, kya hua? So she told कि उसका जो वॉमिटिंग था वो इतना रुक गया एंड द डॉक्टर टोल्ड मी उसको बोला था कि अगर ये वॉमिटिंग रुकेगा नहीं विद इन 1 or 2 hours it is like serious condition and we need to admit her. And when I run Healy for her around 1 hour continuously, all Healy programs, and I gave her distant healing for 2 years kid, it was the thing वो इतना अच्छे से सोई that my sister told me कि मुझे ये लगा भी नहीं कि वो बीमार है. Okay, so that was a shocking testimony for me. Even if I am a part of Healy, it really shocked me कि ये सब क्या हो रहा है. And the thing is, I stay in a joint family and I have a very sweet niece of 13 years old and she is a very strong believer of Healy. Even if I am a part of Healy, but she is a strong believer of Healy and उसका ऐसे nature है कि कुछ भी हो जाए देखो अपने पास Healy है. Okay. And the thing is 15 days back, she was detected with dengue. And we all know that dengue is very serious, kind of things, platelets go down. एंड उसको जैसे ही डिटेक्ट हुआ कि उसको डेंगू है सो शी जस्ट टोल्ड मी कि मुझे हीली दे दो आप मेरे पास एंड मुझे पता है सब प्रोग्राम्स कैसे रन करना है मैं खुद के लिए रन करूंगी एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके आप रन करो करके एंड द थिंग इज यू विल नॉट बिलीव कि उसने उसका डेंगू 3 days में रिकवर किया. फर्स्ट रिपोर्ट्स उसके प्लेट काउंट्स नॉर्मल थे जस्ट डिटेक्ट हुआ बाद में उसके प्लेट काउंट 78,000 गए बट शी इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर उसने इतना अच्छे से हीली यूज किया उसने सब प्रोग्राम्स रन करते गई डिटेल प्रोग्राम स्टिमुलेशन प्रोग्राम जो जो दिखाते गए शी स्टार्टेड रनिंग दैट प्रोग्राम्स एंड द नेक्स्ट डे रिपोर्ट यानी थर्ड डे का उसका रिपोर्ट है ऑलरेडी उसका प्लेट काउंट नॉर्मल हुआ था. So that was very shocking again for me. That was the second incident. And the third thing is, I think 4 or 5 days back. So मेरी जो mother-in-law है, she's 73 years old. And in the morning around 5 o'clock, she had यानी इतना उसका पेट दुख रहा था, इतना strong stomach pain था, like we were in the position of calling doctors. And my niece again, she came to me, she knocked my door. And she told me, give me your Healy and I am going to run program for her. And we took her bioenergetic field and I was like, किधर अभी ये करेंगे चल डॉक्टर बुलाते हैं. So she told me no. She told all the family members, okay, her age is 14 years and see she told कि रुकते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए, just give me half an hour and after that you call the doctor and we can take her to the doctor. And it was amazing that within 10 minutes she got relieved. और फिर मेरी मदर इन लॉ इतना आराम से सोई सो ऐसे लग रहा था उसको पेन है या नहीं है. सो दिस आर ऑल टेस्टिमोनीज व्हिच आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 month for my beloved ones and my belief in Healy is getting more strong and strong. सो जब भी लीना जी मुझे बोलते हैं अमृता आप डिस्कनेक्टेड हो और अभी कांटेक्ट में नहीं हो, सो माय आंसर टू हर वाज कि लीना अब मैं तेरे साथ डिस्कनेक्टेड हूँ बट डेफिनेटली आई एम गेटिंग कनेक्टेड विथ हीली. सो नो डाउट दैट हीली इज अ बूम इन एवरीबॉडीज लाइफ एंड इट इज अ मिरेकल. ऑलवेज लीना सेज कि ये जीनी है कि आप उसको बोलो आपके लाइफ का प्रॉब्लम एंड इट इज गोइंग टू सॉल्व दैट थिंग. So I have only one word to add is it is not a part of your life, but Healy is the heart of our life. So let's take this mission very well ahead and all the best to all of you. My sincere thanks to Leena ji, Push ji, who has helped me to making this decision to get connected with Healy. And thank you so much. Yeah, Leena ji.
Thank you, Amrita. I still remember that I'm calling Amrita last 2 weeks back, and I'm like, where are you, Amrita? No connect. आप तो भूल ही गए हो. And then she is reverting back कि नहीं मैं भूली नहीं हूँ, मैं तेरे से डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी थोड़े दिन के लिए, बट मैं हीली से कनेक्ट हो गई हूँ. आई एम सो वेल कनेक्टेड विथ हीली. मे बी यू आर नॉट कनेक्टेड विथ मी नाउ. Oh my God, it was so amazing. So thank you so much, Amrita. It's time for us also to be connected more closely.
Yes, definitely. So total credit goes to you, Leena, for bringing me on this journey. Because always you say that Healy will select you and you are not going to select Healy, right? So my family members, they are too much excited and they are very much happy with Healy. So they are on that mission of expanding this Healy. So thank you so much, dear. Yeah.
Awesome. Amrita is a fantastic coach. She is a life coach, just a certified life coach, just completed, and on that journey of helping each and every individual with her life coaching skills and Healy in her hand. Just imagine how powerful a healer, a life coach, a therapist becomes when there is an additional, a genie taking care of you. That's so amazing. And Amrita, we are all here, 137 people, ready to bless you. Please keep your prayers to the universe. So let's bless Amrita with each and every desire of hers. Let her skills, her wisdom, her knowledge get onto this world and use Healy for the revolution and the transformation in people's life. Thank you, Amrita, for sharing it. Bless you, sweetheart. Bless you so much. So